there it goes. Okay, so I have a visitor. Well, I'm a visitor in someone else's camp. But look at there, the little girl bird. No name, just it's a she, and it's bird. Birdie, bird, bird. And Birdie, bird, bird likes music and stuff. And seeds. Likes the bread with the seeds. I think likes the cards because when I pull the cards out, like she likes to come over. Look at her, so cool, tipping toe down. She was doing some sort of side step, like coming down the hill, side step, like yeah. Anyway, hello, birdie. Can you see the bird? Bird probably gonna come eat its bread. Okay, it's gonna probably eat its bread. Here, probably want its bread. Hello, birdie. Birdie, birdie, birdie. Okay. So anyway, what we have here, I'm gonna just put this back and see if something else comes out because this is too many. This just happened to come out of my hands as I was shuffling and looking out this beautiful view, and it's TV here. It's cool. It's not doesn't work. It's art. And I had seen these before somewhere, but like to see it up close. Hi, birdie. Hi, honey. You're getting to know me, getting to know all about me, getting to show me. You're getting to show me you like me too. Oh, doodly doo. That's fine. So we have Aries, Saturn. Boy, that's Saturn. Gemini, Soul. Okay. I remember Saturn is the ruler of Capricorn, right? Aries, okay, that's Mars. Men are from Mars, women are from Venus, they say, right? But we have the Sun, polar opposite of Aries. Oh, so it must be the new, is it Aries now? Season? Okay, maybe that's what it's saying. Huh. But the Gemini is being controlled, it seems, more towards this than the Sun. I don't know. It's closer to the Sun, but it's putting Sagittarius, Saturn wants to control. It's trying to maybe work a little magic on Gemini. Aries is Mars. Mars is trying to go through. Saturn is, I don't know, maybe they have something to do with each other up there in the sky. In the sky. Yeah, well, and Neptune, no, Pluto is like at the bottom. And that's skeleton, so that must be Scorpio or death and rebirth. I don't know. But okay, let's just see. Maybe that was something for somebody that knows something about something. Okay? Something I don't know something about. Okay. Look at this cute bird. The coat, okay? The coat of me. Look at, talk about fashion. Love the zippity-doo-dah back there. I might have to borrow that jacket, baby. Ooh. Pisces. Again. Every day. And Sagittarius at the bottom. Okay, let's just read about Pisces. Let's read about Pisces. Pisces. Oh, interesting. As I think, also, no. Yeah. This, whatever, what would they call it? But anyway, the star signs begin with Aries and end with Pisces. And Aries was just at the beginning of that last poll, whatever that was about. Side note. But here's Pisces. So it must be maybe it's the end of Pisces season. And what does Pisces have to say to us? It's the fish. Oh, and the fish were jumping the other day out of my cards. Right? The fish was jumping. Okay. And I think that Pisces came out then. So water ruler is Neptune. Neptune was out for sure. Neptune is because we were reading about Neptune. Neptune was out. I believe in the power. Hey, I believe in the power. Okay? I'm the power of God. Look at, he made this bird. And this bird is really cute and funny. Look at this little yellow bee. So cute. I never been this close, like airspace wise. Birds are always all around my windows, and I've always had a fondness for the birds. And it's this whole thing that happened with these black birds when I first even got into spirituality. You know, I've always been a Christian, and first Catholic, then Christian, because my dad was always in searching for something more than, I guess, his tribe. And he found it for a while, but then, I don't know, there was always some sort of a pecking order thing. And my dad was Taurus, so he was more of a leader. I mean, he used to like give the young guys jobs, tell them to join his gang instead of the gang that they were in or whatever. You know what I mean? He saved a lot of lives. I mean, our family business was more of a church than a business that made money, green money. It made green heart money, and I think it's sustaining all of us children that are still here. I lost one sister, and she and my pops and my mom, they're more really givers. I mean, they took care and were called upon, and and it was sort of the same thing that I was being raised to do, but I just can't do it all anymore. I can't. I'm not a saint. I don't want to be. I want to live a long life so I can see my grandkids and see all of them and be together with them and hang out and do the things that I remember us all doing as a family when we were younger. That was so fun to me. Picnics and barbecues and making homemade ice cream and going on hikes and just, oh my God, so much fun. Music, dancing, hot sauce, Sunday, soul Sundays. Oh my God, I love it. Okay, so back to this. Maybe that was for me, definitely, but maybe somebody else resonates, okay? So we're going to read about this Pisces fish here, watery, dreamy. Look, it had me dreaming because I was back there. Dreamy Pisces swims within the waters of perceptive imagination and psychic gifts, sometimes more interested in what could be than what is. All right. Pisces may reject reality completely, turning to addiction and wishful thinking to avoid harsh situations. Strongly spiritual Pisces can be turned back towards the world through faith and hope. Okay, that's nice. That's right. I'm going to read that again. Dreamy Pisces swims within the waters of perceptive imagination and psychic gifts, sometimes more interested in what could be than what is. We have to accept things as they are and work with that using whatever we've learned from the past. Even the emotions, if there are great emotions attached, you can use that to manifest. It's a beautiful thing. But living in reality, day to day, you don't just sit all day and just dream about it. You got to get up and be at it. And, there's things we have to do along the way. They may be giving us a message, and we have messages to get out other than this one thing that we dream and hope for. We do dream, we do hope, we write them down, we make it plain, we find scripture, and based on it, if it's not scripture based, whatever, that's not it for you, but you can manifest. But sometimes you have to adjust just know what's around you, know what may be affecting you. If it's a little way off, then okay, let me check the planetary alignments in my chart. It's good to know your chart, your birth chart. You can get a free birth natal chart from Cafe Astrology. That's what it's called. Anyway, it's very interesting when you read it, how accurate it is about your life. And so, we come through the south node and go out the north. So, depending on where you are in your journey and what age you are, it really does help no matter what age. It sure helped me, and then I understood what my past was and even why I was attracted to certain people. Hi, bird. You eat your food? Yeah, don't mind me. But it's all good. I remember a time where I didn't think, I was so mad at people and stuff. But really, it was like, well, when I learned, it was the choices I made. I just had to adjust the choices and my mindset first, though, and not be trapped in the fear of the heartbreak. It's all a part of life. We need to go through all of these things to ascend. I didn't even know what I was made of until something happened to show me. I was like, oh, shoot. I knew I was, I won't say, but because it's not for this anyway. But my family knows, people that I used to say about myself, even, because of my kids and being a single mom and having to use my mail. Hi, you like that card? Okay. Oh, yay, patience and planning, you like that? That's pecking on the bird's pecking on this one. Hi, honey. Okay, say patience and planning. Dream, make it plain. That's Habakkuk 2:2 in the Bible. If you don't know, you should know. Oh, you like that one? And move on. Move on. 7-6. And saying 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay. This heartache. Hi. You like my cards? Hello, Peppy. Hello. Oh, I like your green anklet. Hi. You like this one? You keep pecking that one? Just likes to peck that one. Patience and planning. Patience, my dear. I'm going to go pick up the girls so they can come back and meet you, okay? I'm going to pick the girls up. They're going to have such a ball. Hi. Do you want to see yourself? Hi. Hello. Say hello. My name is Birdie. You like you're raising your neck taller. Hi. Hi, sweetie. Say, I'm a girl and I'm a bird and I'm here to show my sides. I have worked through all my shadow. Look at my markings. How beautiful. God made me this way. Just like you, if you have any markings, you're special too. Look at my jacket. I got, ooh, looks like a fountain. at the belly area. You're so cute. Hi. Hi, honey. I like your jacket. I like your jacket. Oh yeah. Hi, honey bear. Hi. Hi. Oh, you, this one? Luna. Her name is Luna. That one tap twice. Okay. Twice. Taurus loves. Luna loves Taurus. Oh, loves it. Taurus is the god. Is the, yeah. Oh, 3 times you like that one. That one. Okay, let's read about it. We're going to read about it. Oh, Luna and Taurus. Okay. And more, you really like Taurus. I gotta come back and look at this. You doing SOS? SOS. SOS. You're giving me SOS. Oh, look, it turned right to Luna. All right, so let's see. I wish I brought my glasses, and I cannot see through this lady's glasses because I tried thinking that they were mine, but no. I did not bring them. Anyway, Luna, as the golden light of the sun reveals the outer expression of personality, the silvery light of Luna, the moon, brings in subtle influence to the inner life. This is the realm of emotions, intuition, and instincts. Hi. The unconscious mind is ruled by the moon, like the ocean's tides, pulled toward the dream light. There's dreaming. So we're being pulled towards our dreams, looking towards our dreams. In constant and changeable motion. So it's fluctuating, influx and outflux, influx and outflux. The moon enhances all psychic ability and does not depend on logic or reasonable explanations. This is the province of the mysterious and unseen. When Luna appears in your oracle reading, she's on top of that and pecking the heck out of Taurus. It is. Are you gonna poop on it? Oh wow, you wanna? Whoa! Tap dance on Luna. You dreaming? Whoa. Okay. Unchangeable motion. The moon enhances all psychic ability and does not depend on logic or reasonable explanations. This is the province of the mysterious and all unseen. When Luna appears in your oracle reading, it is a message to listen to your inner voice of guidance. You're like, listen to your inner voice. Listen to your inner voice. Huh? Hi, Birdie. Okay, I love your fingernails, child. Cute. Oh, you're gonna come? You're gonna peck me? Hi. Please don't peck me. I get scared. I might get a little bit nervous. Hi. Oh, I see the rainbow on your black stuff. Oh. 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 Okay. Okay, so, and then you have Taurus. So we need to, let's see. Taurus is ruled by Venus. I know because they share that with Libra. And also my dad was Taurus. And let's see, Pisces is ruled by the moon, right? That's interesting. Oh no, crap. Okay. Cancer is ruled by the moon. Let's see, Pisces. Oh, Neptune. We already spoke about that. Neptune is because that came out the other day. Okay, so Pisces. I mean, Cancer. Okay, so let's just here. Let's go to the meanings of them together. Okay, so Luna and not Mars. We have to go to. Oh! Let's see what that's about. Jupiter. Okay, so here.